leaders. I want to show you how to log in to take your MAP test. Once you get to the website, this is what the page will look like. The first step is to type your session name here in this box under the words session name. If Miss Gordon is my teacher, my session name is going to be Gordon with a capital G space E-L-A. This is for the reading test. For your math test, it will say your teacher's name, space, and then math. Next, you type in your session password. Your password will be a 4-digit number, and your teacher will tell you the password. After you type in the password, click this blue arrow to go to the next page. Here, where there's a tiny little arrow, if you click there, you'll see a list of all the kids in your class. You'll see their names, and you'll just go down until you find your name and click it. Second, you shouldn't have to do anything. The correct test is already selected for you. If this box is blank, though, you can click this tiny little arrow and then click the name of the test. Third, you click the blue arrow to go to the next page. This is the next page that you'll see. It says, "Is this correct?" Make sure that it says your name here. It's not going to say the words your name. It will have your actual name. So if this was my test, it would say Mrs. Price. If it was Miss Gordon's test, it would say Mrs. Gordon. If it's Sally Smith's test, it would say Sally Smith. So make sure that your name is there and then click yes. Then when you see this page, that means that you're ready to take your test. You don't have to do anything at all except tell your teacher that you are ready to begin. You don't need to click anything on this page. Your teacher will turn your test on for you. After your teacher turns your test on, the page will look like this. It says, "You are confirmed to start the test." So just click the blue arrow to begin your test. And remember, friends, it's okay if you don't know all the answers. Your teachers just want to know what you know. And this test is really a tool for the teachers so that they can make really great choices when they're deciding what they're going to teach you next. You probably won't know all of the answers this time because this is the very beginning of the school year and you haven't yet learned everything that you're going to learn this year. So if you don't know the answer, that is okay. Remember to go slowly and take your time and don't stress. Everything is going to be okay, and we're really, really proud of you for working so hard. See you soon. Bye.